Being human means just this, that you can consciously decide what is the nature of your experience right now. So spiritual process means a forward step in the evolutionary process. That means everything is conscious for you, nothing is unconscious.
I love the community here.
And dance.
And laugh.
Yeah.
And the ability for people to come to the festival as they are and gain exposure to things that resonate with them to live well.
Tis a nugget again.